Operation Slack Pack has begun. 25 miles, starting at like 11. Dad dropped me off in Damascus, walking to Elk Garden. Hopefully there's some elk there. It's raining, it snowed on the way here. It's gonna be a great day. I can't wait. So far so good. 49 minutes. Oh, that's hard to see, I'm sorry. 3 miles an hour. Hasn't been raining. Smoke, cool. Overcast. Sweet, yeah. Ooh, that's gonna work. Keep on going. Yo! We are, royal we, I don't know, I said that a lot. I am 9 miles into my 24-mile slack pack today on day, I don't know what day I'm out here. It just keeps going. I'll start putting the days up on these videos. Maybe do one a day instead of one every section. I don't know. Seems what all the cool people on YouTube are doing. 9 miles. Making good time. It snowed a little bit, hailed a little bit, rained a little bit, but it's been pretty good. I have to constantly take my jacket on and off because I get really hot and really cold. We're just moving along. There's a shelter in 6 miles. I'll take a nice 15-minute break. I've been doing everything on my feet. Pee while walking, eat my sandwich by walking, drink some water while walking, probably should drink more water. Haven't stopped. So we'll go there. I'm getting picked up around 7 in Elk Park. Before that, I have to climb up White Top Mountain, which I think is like a 2K climb. Looking forward to it. Hopefully it's not windy. I can take off my jacket, otherwise it's gonna be hot and cold at the same time. It's like there's no good solution. So we will catch up at the shelter. See you later. This is a sweet trail. Kind of goes along with my motto of paving the trail. Check it out, PavetheTrail.com. Yeah, so I'm talking about easy grade, beautiful river. Woo! Could do this all day. Here we are at the infamous privy. It looks pretty comfy. You could have a party in here. Oh, stinks. But this, oh, really stinks. But here we go. The whole Lorax. That is an extreme dedication to storytelling. People probably spend way too much time in here pooping. But this is what a privy looks like. If you guys are interested, you just sit on there and give it a rip. And it stinks, and there's poop in there, and it stinks. But privy. I was at the shelter. There's 2 hikers there, staying nice and toasty. Had been there for a while. Only hiked 6 miles. Living the dream, baby. But they were very nice and having a great time. But now we need to find the trail. There, somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. And keep going. We got 9 miles to go. It is, I don't know, like 5 o'clock maybe. Oh wait, no, 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock, it's gotta be 4 o'clock. And it's getting cold. And I'm looking where I'm going. You can't see it. White Top Mountain is over there, and I know why it's called White Top Mountain. We're gonna make some super cool videos up there because it's going to be freezing. Oh, theme of today, freezing. Sweet, see you guys later. There's White Top Mountain. It's actually white topped right now because it's freezing. That's where we're headed. Get to the top, freeze our butts off, go down the other side. Typical AT fashion. Go up, go down. Enjoy yourself. What a lovely apple tree. White buds everywhere. I bet you're here in a couple months, maybe later. You can stop right underneath it and enjoy yourself a fat, juicy apple. Yeah, must be nice. Maybe we'll have some apple trees up north. Got some snow. We're only moving up, higher and higher. I wonder how much snow's up top. Pretty cool. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Do, 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 do. More rain, snow, or something. Time to keep going. It's frigid. White Top Mountain. It's windy. Woo! We go up there. Pretty cool spot. That's coming in quick. We better get going. It's pretty cool. It's cold. Snowing. I can now say that I've hiked in the snow. Pretty cool spot. Cruising right along. It's almost 7 o'clock. A couple miles to go. It's been a great day. Awesome hiking. Cold, brisk, a couple good climbs, new shoes. Oh yeah, check them out. New shoes and new gaiters. Woo, happy feet. Yeah, sweet. You can see my face. I've got a mask on. It's pink. It's sexy. Keep me nice and toasty. Been skiing in a mask all year this winter. Take it off, keep it on. Used to it. Keeps my face warm. Can't see my mouth though.